Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jeanette and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This is a new in the shop video for a handmade storage box in the Shabby Chic style with beautiful blue and gold hues. I am super excited to bring you this box because I have two of them in this matching style with the vintage songbirds and the distressed chippy paint style with that romantic theme that we all know and love to decorate our homes with. You can use these box styles as inspiration to create your own matching design with a DIY decoupage storage box, or you can save time and pick them up here at the Crafty Hobbit. This box is the smaller of the two. It's beautiful and elegant with the romantic paperboard or the pressedboard storage box style. You also can find them under dresser boxes. But this Shabby Chic style offers very soft hues of blue and gold on a chippy vintage paint finish style. There's vintage songbird theme all around the sides and a gorgeous flowing messy bow accented on the lid. There's a distressed style interior, and there's embossing decorative scrolling edging around the border of the lid. It's a lovely box, and it would be beautiful in a guest room, on a fireplace mantle, a dresser, or a vanity, and it would make a great bedside box to tuck away reading glasses, your phone, medications, or other items that are needed to be handy at the bedside. This smaller one measures 6 by 5 3/4 inches by 4 and weighs about 7 ounces. If you'd like to pick up this smaller box right away, you can scan the QR code right here in the video or use the first link in the video description. However, if you'd like them both together, you need to follow the second link in the video description, which will take you over to the shop for traditional shopping cart checkout to get them both, if they're still available. If you want to be one of the first to know about new items in the shop that are available, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see you on the next one.